Hello and welcome everybody from Laos. This time we will go on a cruising trip on the river Mekong. That sounds absolutely amazing already, but moreover we will discover the famous Kuang Si waterfall. This is a main attraction of Luang Prabang, but actually it's kind of far from the city. So if you're adventurous, you can also hire a tuk-tuk and go there with a local guy, and usually that costs like $20 and he will also wait for you. But I choose this trip which I found on TripAdvisor. Why? Because also this Mekong River cruise is included in the price. It is $45, so it's more expensive, but cruise is included, lunch is included, and we'll also go to the Pak Ou caves. That will be also very interesting, and on the way we will also meet some elephants, so I think it was a better idea to choose this way. Well, why is this waterfall very famous? It has more levels and it has a turquoise color water, so each tourist go there when they come to Luang Prabang, so it's very advisable to watch this vlog until the end. Absolutely huge railway bridge. It was constructed by the Chinese for the Laotians. It connects Luang Prabang with Vientiane. Beautiful limestone.
It's about
will visit the Pak Ou caves. There are lower one which can be reached very easily, just 2 minutes walk, and the upper one it's more harder to reach, 278 steps upstairs, but well, we'll not miss that also. It's absolutely incredible that we can find 4,000 Buddha statues inside, so yeah, let's go and discover it. This is the entrance of the first cave.
So you can lean your back on the board. Tap top rồi đấy, you can touch.
Absolutely incredible how many Buddha statues can we find here.
Okay, dito ka lang ha. Please stay.
This is the lower cave, the lower Pak Ou cave, and from here we need 278 steps to go up to the other cave. Here we can find the confluence of the Mekong and the Nam Ou rivers, and in Lao language Pak means mouth, so actually this is how the cave was named Pak Ou. It means the mouth at the Ou river, so yeah, this is the story behind it. From this angle you can see how steep the stairs are, so it's very hard to climb up, but well, I hope that it will be worth. And it's also very humid, so that's the reason why yeah, it's not very easy to come here, even if you are in good shape. This is the upper cave. It's more spacious than the lower cave. And the number of the Buddha statues is increasing every year because believers and worshippers bring here every day, every time, some new statues, hoping for good fortune or for blessing or guiding.
ladies and gentlemen, we don't come back to the boat again. Right? We don't come back to the boat again. Please take your all stuff with you.
Chắcปีแล้วเนี่ยโอ้เป็นพี่เราแล้วเนี่ย
How old is this elephant?
20
What's his name? Boham.
คืออย่างก็บัวฮัม
We have stopped for lunch and we can find many elephants in this park. Very cute. We stopped now in a village. They call it Laos whiskey village, but of course it's just for the tourists. It's very interesting that they are making the whiskey from sticky rice, but moreover you can find here a lot of interesting combinations with some snake shots, and also this Laos whiskey is 50%. Well, I would never try these stuff. I'm really shocked. Look at this. What the hell is this? Absolutely incredible. This serpent whiskey, I don't think that it is a good idea to drink it, but probably somebody does. And if you just want to try the normal Laos whiskey, it is almost the double price, like in the night market inside of Luang Prabang. So yeah, how is this working? Tour guide probably has some contact with these local people, and he gets probably some money from it. That's why all tourist groups stop here, and well, it's it's maybe some commission for him, but I don't know. So yeah, that's the main reason that the tour groups stop here, and then they ask for more money than usual in the town. And also have some handicrafts here.
So would you like to try more?
No, thank you.
What do you like to about?
Absolutely huge bamboo tree. So this is for what we came for. Absolutely amazing waterfall. This is 100 meters high. You can find here more pools where you can also swim if you want. Absolutely wonderful color. It is not a cascade of a river, that's why the very clean, absolutely amazing water. Over there we can find a spring, that's the reason that is so clear. You cannot get enough of this view, absolutely splendid. Finally I managed to climb to the top of the waterfall. It's a breathtaking view, absolutely incredible. Well, it was very steep, very hard path to climb here, but it was absolutely worth. Look at this color. Wow. The beauty of nature. Absolutely jungle feeling. So this was the vlog about the Kuang Si waterfall. and about the cruising on the river Mekong. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if that's so, please subscribe to my channel if you didn't do it yet. It's very important to push on the bell icon, so this is how you get notified about the new contents. Have a nice day and goodbye.